So let's just see the question number 7. The question number 7 says if the zeros of the given polynomial are a minus b, a plus b, then find the value of a and b. So let's just start the solution of this particular question. First of all, let us suppose we will take the polynomial as p of x. So let p of x is nothing but is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus of x plus of 1. It says that the zeros of the polynomial are given as a minus b, a and a plus b. So let us suppose let alpha, beta, gamma be the three zeros of p of x. As according to question, it is already mentioned to us that a minus b, a and a plus b are the three zeros. So according to the question, let us suppose I am taking alpha as a minus b, beta as a and gamma as nothing but a plus of b. So I am taking alpha, beta, gamma as a minus b, a and a plus b. I hope you all remember about the relationship in between the zeros and the coefficients of a cubic polynomial. So let us suppose I am writing the relationship as we do know about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomials, which says that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a, alpha, beta, gamma is minus of d by a, alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma alpha is nothing but is equal to c by a. So these are the three relationships that we do have in between the zeros as well as in the coefficients. So let us suppose I will write this particular polynomial into the formation of ax cube plus of bx square plus of c of x plus of d. So by comparison, what we can say? By comparison, we can say that the value of a is nothing but 1, the value of b is nothing but minus of 3, the value of c is nothing but 1 and the value of d is nothing but 1. As per the comparison between these two equations, we are getting a as 1, b as minus 3 and c as 1, d as 1. So let us suppose we are using, let us suppose I'm calling it as 1, 2 and 3. Let us suppose we'll use the equation number 1. So from equation number 1, what we can say? From equation number 1, we can say that alpha plus beta plus gamma, let us suppose I'm calling this equation as star, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Let's just substitute all these values over here. We have taken alpha as a minus b. So let us suppose I'm substituting alpha as a minus b. Beta is nothing but a, gamma as nothing but a plus b, which is equal to minus b by a. What is minus of b or what is b? The value of b is nothing but minus of 3. So I'm substituting the value of b as nothing but minus of 3. A is nothing but 1. So this is minus 3 only. So at the end, minus b plus b getting cancelled with each other. A plus a is nothing but 3 of a, which is nothing but is equal to 3. So at the end, we are getting the answer as a is nothing but is equal to 1. Now we got the value for a as nothing but to be 1. We have to find now for the value of b. So let us suppose I'm using the equation number 2. So from equation number 2, what we can say? We can say alpha into beta into gamma means alpha into beta into gamma is nothing but minus of d by a. So alpha, we have taken the alpha as a minus b, beta is nothing but a, gamma as nothing but a plus of b, which is equal to minus d. What is the value of d? D is nothing but 1. So it is minus 1 by 1. Obviously, it is nothing but minus of 1. So let us suppose I am calling it as the equation number 4. So definitely substitute the value a as 1 in this particular equation. We will get the answer as 1 minus of b into of 1 plus b, which is equal to minus of 1. And further, we can use the algebraic identity over here as a minus b. A plus b is nothing but 1 minus of b square, which is nothing but is equal to minus of 1. Let's just transpose b square toward to the other side, or minus 1 towards the left hand side. So we will get it as 1 plus 1, which is equal to b square. At the end, b square is nothing but is equal to 2. When we will solve b square as is equal to 2, we will get the answer as b is nothing but plus minus of root 2. So at the end, let us suppose I'm calling it as 5. At the end, what we are getting? We are getting the answer as a is nothing but is equal to 1, b is nothing but as is equal to plus minus of root 2. So this is nothing but our answer. This is all about finding out the value a and b when the zeros of the polynomial are given in this particular formation. So always remember the relationship in between the zeros and the coefficients of the given polynomial in order to solve such type of questions.